So, let's review what happens when we introduce the factory method. And we will use the head first design patterns example of the pizza store. So, we have a base class pizza with a number of different subclasses for different types of pizza pertaining to different pizza stores. So we have 4 pizzas pertaining to a New York style, 4 pizzas pertaining to a Chicago style. The New York style pizzas are of course related, and the Chicago style pizzas are related the same way, depending on the location of the customer. If the customer is in New York, any of the New York style pizzas should be selected, and if the client's in Chicago, likewise. Connected to all of these is our dependent pizza store at the bottom, which relies on all these implementations for the purpose of clients being able to select a pizza by specifying what pizza store they want to choose from and what type of pizza. So here's our very dependent pizza store, and here's what its method would look like. So the factory method in our dependent pizza store receives 2 parameters, style and type. The style denotes the pizza store in question, either New York or Chicago, and the type denotes whether cheese, veggie, clam or pepperoni pizza is desired. And this method then contains a nested if statement for selecting first store and then or style, and then the type of pizza to purchase from that store. If we instead refactor our pizza store so that it contains a method for creating pizza by looking up the appropriate mapping between pizza names and their corresponding classes. So we create a factory method which can be used to create different types of pizza. This pizza store has no notion of any particular type of pizza, but our Chicago style pizza store and New York pizza store initializes a mapping between names, so veggie, clam, pepperoni and cheese, to their corresponding types of pizza. This way, there is no single pizza store that depends on all different types of pizzas. We've connected our Chicago style pizza store to the Chicago style pizzas. We've connected the New York style pizza store to the New York pizzas. And this makes it much easier to add another pizza store that has its own type of pizzas, but that doesn't affect the client's perspective, our pizza test drive. Neither does it change the pizza store interface that the client uses. So the factory method can be summarized like this. It decouples clients from specific dependencies. So our pizza test drive doesn't have to know what dependencies a New York or Chicago style pizza store has, and we can refactor that hard-coded conditional in the original dependent pizza store. The class hierarchies pertaining to our different types of pizzas are connected to the pizza store they belong to. If we are to add new domain classes, pizzas, we have to make sure that factory methods are updated so that they can create those pizzas.